Welcome back, Oga Lampard and Sari.
Thank you.
Kobala, wetin this small boy they do for here? Shebi I don't tell you say, make you know they invite small boys come this studio when I dey here.
Come out for here, Joe. Now who they call small boy? Now you get studio. See this old man, no.
Abeg, make una calm down.
Calm down, waiting. Person they call me small boy. Now him I go calm down.
You know who I be? You know places where I don't go? You know how many clubs I don't coach?
Come out for here. Which kind how many clubs I don't coach? Now be 2012 you start professional coaching. And now only 4 clubs you don't
Oh
coach.
boy, make I tell you something. Where I don't waka, you know fit waka, I go burn you 10 times, change go remain.
10 times fire. You think say they fear you?
Kobala, do talk make I come out for here. Go chop Nkobi and Isiewu. We go settle this matter later.
Okay, sir. On Friday, Tottenham go welcome Manchester United for Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. Who you feel say go grab these 3 points?
Man you go win now. As a be now, Man you key players don't come back from injury. And that Bruno Mars link-up play with Rashford go dangerous. Tottenham no go fit stop them. Especially if Man you play that counter-attack game. That boy Osondo James and Rashford no go grade them rest.
Oga Lampard, what you get to tell us?
Me? I no go lie, yo. I want to make them play all those wicked 0-0 sour draw soup. Make ball not even hit by herself. Because I no want to make any of them disturb me for that my position. But outside that, since na Tottenham their home, and Harry Kane and Son don't recover from injury, I feel say them go in.
Make I shit Colonna. You think see Harry Kane and Bruce Lee picking go fit do Man you anything? Shebi na Friday them go play match. We go say now, all these small boys, we go dey predict nonsense. You no go prepare for Man City big game, abi?
Na Toronto go fire you there. Na be Italy you supposed there. Napoli beat you for finals, you still there here.
Amadio has scattered your life cycle for there.
Shango maltreat your generation. Nonsense.